today. You know, anytime you see me at this my corner, you know it's going to be a vlog kind of video. Yeah. So Zuri is going to be one, and we have this preparation going on. No major party because I believe the child doesn't even know what you're doing. So we're just going to have photo shoots. We're going to have birthday cake. We are going to have just few friends come to the house. Like really, there's nothing. I'm not doing anything extra. Everybody just come to eat rice and gist and have fun. That's all. And we don't even know when the day will be, but I know it's going to be a weekend, a Sunday. We're going to take some pictures today. So I'm really not looking forward to it because I know it's going to be very, very stressful. I can't imagine what I went through when Josh was one. So I know this one is going to be a pro max because Zuri has energy. So that's what we are doing today. I'm going to be showing you her outfits. She has 3 outfits, and simple outfits and one that is traditional. So that's what's going to be happening. And so I'm going to bring you guys along the whole BTS that's behind the scenes of the photo shoot. I'm sure it's going to be fun. Yeah, crazy fun. So that's it. All right, so if you're watching my video for the first time, please kindly like, subscribe, and share. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it here because I bring out videos every week. So see you guys around. Make sure your kid gets enough sleep before the photo shoot. That will help a lot. And of course, feed your child because it's going to be a long journey, okay? Eba and Widow for the road. Zuri has been a good girl today, right? Can you see yourself in the mirror? Oof, I need to comb my hair. My hair looks like a mess.
Zuri, can you say black?
Happy birthday.
Zuri, can you say black?
To you. It's
Can
your
you say
birthday.
black?
Happy birthday.
Mommy, let's all
Happy
make the cake.
birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Zuri, Mama.
To you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Dear Zuri. Happy birthday to you. Eep, beep, beep.
Hooray!
Eep, beep, beep.
Hooray!
Eep, beep, beep.
Hooray!